You must have seen posts like this on your Instagram feed, in which you can move from one picture to the other with the image at the middle remaining at the same place. I want to show you how you can do the same thing in this video. So let's get started. But before we do, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the right time to do it. Click on that subscribe button and strike the notification bell. You have a lot to gain on my YouTube channel. So let's get started.
Open your Canva app. When you open your Canva app, this is the first page you will see. The next thing you're going to do is to click on plus. When you click on plus, you will be needed to input your width and height. The width and height for Instagram feed post is actually 1:1 and also 4:5. You can use any of the two, 1:1 and 4:5. For the 1:1 feed post on Instagram, the width is 1080 and the height is 1080. So that's 1080 by 1080. While for the 4:5, it is 1200 by 1500. Okay. Also, some people can use 1080 by 1350. So those are the width and height that can be used. 1080 by 1080, 1200 by 1500, 1080 by 1350. These are the width and height that can be used. But you have to note that whenever you want to create the design for Instagram Carousel, to make it easy, what you do is that when you want to input the width on Canva or wherever you want to create the Instagram Carousel, you multiply the width by 2. I repeat that, multiply the width by 2. So instead of 1080, you will have the width to be 2160 and the height will remain the same, which is 1080. If you are using 1200 by 1500, instead of entering 1200, you will input 2400 as the width. I hope that is well understood. Good. So multiply the width by 2 and let the height remain the same. Good. So here we are inputting the width to be 2160 and the height to be 1080. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on create new design. When you click on create new design, it will bring this for you. Alright. So the first thing that I used to do normally, personally, so when it brings this, to bring this just back, just click on back. Alright. So when it brings this, the first thing I used to do, I will click on plus and going to line, I will click on elements. I'll click on elements and I will bring in the line, this straight line. That's the first thing I used to do. Click on straight line in the line and shape. Yes. So I'll just rotate this. Okay. When I rotate this, I will let it be a straight line. Alright. Okay. Then I will just find the center. This is the center. You see the color change when you get to the center. You see the color change. That is the center. So at this, I will just put this there at the center. The next thing is that I want to bring a color. I'll click on this and click on color to have a background color. I will click on plus. So my background color, I'm going to put it as pink. I'm going to use pink. I already have my color code, so I will enter my color code. So I will enter my color code. So we have, this is my own color code. So we have this. But the next thing I'm going to do is to write my test. So my test will be, I'll click on plus. After clicking on plus, I will click on test. So when I click on test, it's going to bring this. Then I will click on add a heading. Okay. So when I click on add a heading, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to enlarge this and click on this place and write my test. My test is how to. I will change this font. I will scroll here and click on font and change the font to Anton. Alright, that's Anton. I will change the font size to 120. 120. Good. That's the font size I'm using. For you to appreciate this more, just enlarge. Use your two hands to enlarge. Just enlarge like this. You have to appreciate the size more. Alright, so I'll just bring this in like this. Alright, so another thing I will quickly do, I'll just scroll, click on format. When I click on format, I'll come here and click on this. Yes, I want them to align to the right, to the left. Okay, so having done that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this, bring it down, and edit this to create. Good. I'll click on these again, duplicate, bring the upper one out. Yes, I'll click on edit and how to create valuable. Good. The next thing I'm going to click on this, duplicate it as well, and bring it down. I'll click on edit. I'll make this content. So after done that, we'll change this color. Click on this one and scroll here to change the color. Click on color. I will click on plus. I have a color in mind. Click here. I want something like, so I'm going to enter my color code. You can always find your color code on Google. Just type the color, probably green. Just type green color code on Google. You can always find that in Google. So this is the color I want. Alright, so this is the color I want. So having done that, this is the first thing I want to do, how to create valuable content. So I'm just going to highlight all of them, long press on one and highlight them, then bring it down slowly. I want it at the middle. So we have this. And the next thing I'm going to do, I will reduce this back, click on the middle. I will delete this line, delete the line. Good. So when I delete the line, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on plus and bring in an image I want to use. So I'm going to click on photos. I want a 3D image. So I will come here and search for 3D. Search for 3D. I'm going to bring this image in. So this is the image. Then I'm going to just move the image. Good. You see that point? You can see the line. That is the center. Good. So that is what we have. Then I'm going to click on plus again. Okay, when I click on plus, I will go to test and edit the test. Click on add with some heading. And this is it. I will move it out. Click on it. I will edit it to be content is king. Create this post will show you how to create valuable content. So of course I'm going to reduce the size of this. First of all, I'm going to enlarge this a little so I can appreciate it. Click on this. I'm going to change the font size to 25. Alright, I'm going to bring it here. Format, I'm going to click on format and change this. Yes. The next thing, I'm going to just adjust this at the edge. Yeah, I'm going to adjust it at the edge, bring it to the center. Font size again to 25. Let's use 30. Let's see how it goes with 30. Alright, so we have something like this. Alright, so we have something like this. So having done that, the next thing I'm just going to do is to save this. So I'll click on this place and save. Click on here and save the image. That's the first step. The image will be saved. So the next thing you want to do is to open your InShot app. Alright, so when you open the InShot app, you click on photo, click on the image you just downloaded from Canva, which is this. So we have this. The next thing, click on crop. When you click on crop, click on 1:1, come to the middle, save the first part. Good. Then click on save. Good. Saved. Then go back, click on here, click on crop again, bring this to this place, click on save, then save again. So that has been saved. Then if you look at it, you have successfully go and look at your saved, your InShot folder. You have successfully divided this into two, which you can use as Instagram Carousel.
And that's it. That's how to create your own Instagram Carousel. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, don't forget. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.